Welcome back to part 2 of the abandoned Leeds Assembly Plant. If you would like to see part 1 and hear the history of the plant, definitely go check that video out. And if you would like to see future videos, please like and subscribe. This looks like vents all around here. Alright, so we're in another big room right here. We got the track to the left. And right now we're just following this track to see where it leads to. So we found another tunnel. This one I don't know if we'll be able to stand up straight in it or not. Yeah, here's the bottom of the track leading up to the third floor. Starting over here, just going all the way across there, all the way down. It's just a huge room. Can barely see the end. Yeah, since we've been been hearing lots of sounds. Is that a bike? Oh, there's a bike. I believe that's what it is. Get closer. Okay, we're gonna get closer. This would be a fun place to ride a bike though. That's for sure. Good bike. Alright, let's go. What time is it? Got a pallet jack and a gas can. Right now, we're looking for. Oh, here's the paint department. That's pretty interesting right there. Let's peek on in here. We got stairs going up again. Nothing left. I mean, we got some like wood walls. But other than that, that's about it. That's interesting in here. It's really shiny. What does this sign say? It says, caution, do not put carrying trucks in the oven without vent holes in each cross member. This sign right here, it's the United Auto Workers
Will give no more in.
Yeah, that little tiny sign below the caution. Yeah, 1984. Alright, so we found this lift that looks like it's been moved recently. Like, it just snowed a few days ago, and there's the tire tracks in the snow right there. And then here's the lift. Like, I don't remember this lift from last time. Yeah, there's all kinds of noises. So we've come across another just huge room. The tracks make loops. I'm not really too sure what was going on in this room at one time. Super long hallway. Okay, so we're heading into the men's locker room now. I don't know if much will be left behind.
I would assume this place had multiple locker rooms. So.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, it's pretty big in here. We don't need this. Just tons of lockers everywhere, hundreds of them. And it looks like a bathroom over here. Bathroom, showers. So there's another elevator right there. This looks like storage or office space in here. There's a lot of stuff left behind, it looks like, in there. This little sign says 1988 pilot engine harness tester. Like, production of this plant ended in the late 80s. And basically a lot of these rooms are just kind of left how they were. There's an really old Pepsi can on the ground. Can't really see it too well. Not sure what this thing is. It says test rate on it. So over here we have a calendar on the wall. That's from the 1980s. And then we also have some other notes on the wall that are also from the 80s. We have this really old monitor from IBM. Wow. Just a whole time capsule in here from the 80s, basically.